No, it's gonna be nice, but it's gonna be cheap.
Okay,
All
It's
that
gonna be
kind
nice,
of
but it's gonna be cheap.
crazy
okay.
stuff.
Nothing
Um,
wrong with that.
the place that I stay at when we go to Jamaica, it's an all-inclusive resort. I might spend like $1,000 for a week
Okay,
versus $1,000 for a day.
okay,
So I was like, okay, I found an Airbnb. It just so happened to be at an all-inclusive resort.
okay.
Now the all-inclusive is not included with the purchase of the Airbnb,
Uh-huh.
but you can get all-inclusive at a daily rate separately.
Okay.
So if you got there and you like, hey, I want to add all-inclusive,
Uh-huh.
and it's your last 2 days there, or whatever the case may be, you can do all-inclusive for your last 2 days.
Okay.
Whatever. So at least that won't rack up all your money and all-inclusive for the whole time.
Right.
It's like you get to pick your package type.
Okay.
But the only thing that's included in the all inclusive is food and drinks. Now, they got some of the other like little excursions or whatever. Like they got this little boat thing that you get on like a little sailboat,
Okay.
and it take you out so far in the water and bring you back. Well, we thought you needed all inclusive to get back to you.
Okay.
So they got a spa, they got food, they got all these bars, it's family friendly. So if you like when we went the first time, it was people there with their kids and stuff like that. To go somewhere and have all inclusive for the cheap cheap, it's like why not?
That's right.
And I was trying to go.
And how much are we talking? All inclusive.
Let me see. The 7 amount of days, so
Oh, you must have been really close to me, baby. That's good.
Yeah.
I wish I
It's kind of sad that we keep going through this stuff and, we don't know about it to identify it
yeah.
so that we can correct it. That was so satisfying.
Okay.
And how that pink fade into that
Yeah.
red, that is so pretty. Yeah. She was in the hospital for a day. I'm really irritated by the whole situation because it's like nobody is really doing the work to see what's really going on. So they just slapped the diagnosis on her. So that they did officially diagnose her with having like Tourette's
Okay.
or whatever, but I still believe that's bogus because they didn't do anything. They admitted her into the hospital for like one day.
Girl, you know what they not doing a good job at the hospitals these days too.
And but here's the
they
part
have
that
damn
should be out.
nurses.
Cause my two choices, my number one choice is gonna be Fayetteville Piedmont.
Okay.
She said they was going there or whatever, but to get another opinion, they went to Emory.
Okay.
And they was at like Emory downtown on the one on off of Claremont or whatever.
Yeah.
They was at that.
Yeah.
And so I was kind of surprised that they pretty much still told her the same stuff that they had been telling her at the other place that she was. And I was like,
that's crazy. I mean, my thing is, so why don't we get a second opinion?
they need a second and a third.
And a fourth.
Yeah. Because it's like nobody can even explain why or how this happened, where did this come from, what might have triggered it, or whatever. It's just weird.
You know they have problems in hospitals. They can't keep nurses. Nurses don't want to be bothered no more. And my sister's a nurse, and she said that a lot of them are quitting. Because first of all, they're not paying us what they work.
Wow.
And I think COVID really did something to them.
I think that's why a lot of
That's
them
what
are
she said. She
being,
said COVID really did something to a lot of nurses, and they just don't want to do it anymore.
Because I know a guy, he's a traveling nurse. And them traveling nurses make money.
Yeah, they do. But then when they stop, they ain't traveling no more.
Yeah. Yeah, this young man. How old is? I don't even know how old is Roberto. He might be in his early 30s or whatever.
That's what he's still sitting, right?
He got his shit going on.
That's what's up. All right, Roberto. You sound like you're kind of sexy. I like that name.